In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix an umbrella that will not stay open. So as you can see, the umbrella does not stay open. So I'm going to be making a hole right through here, a small hole, and then I'm going to be putting a nail through it as a head, and this will allow this to stay open. First thing I'm going to do is to mark the hole. So this has to be pressed open all the way, so I have room to mark that area that I want. Now I'm going to mark the area where I'm going to drill the hole. Okay, now I'm going to be using a locking plier to hold the umbrella open. And now I can just drill the hole. Okay, so here's the hole. I'm going to be putting the nail through. And there you go. The umbrella stays open. Now to close it, just lift this up slightly, pull the nail out, and the umbrella closes. So there you go, that is how to fix an umbrella that will not open. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.